A fixed water fire extinguishing system consists of a pressure tank half filled with fresh water. The pressure in the tank is maintained by supplying compressed air. A level gauge on the pressurized tank indicates the water level in the tank. The pipeline from pressure tank till sprinkler head is charged with fresh water. In a dry system, the line is pressurized with compressed air. Sprinkler head is fitted with a small quartzoid glass bulb with a liquid sealed inside it. The operating temperature of the bulb is indicated by the color of the liquid it contains. In the event of fire, the liquid inside the bulb is heated to a predetermined temperature. The liquid expands and breaks the glass bulb. An audible and visual alarm is triggered on the bridge, accommodation spaces and engine room as soon as the bulb breaks at sensor head. This opens the pipeline at the sprinkler head and pressurized fresh water flows out of the sprinkler in the form of a spray. As water level in the pressure tank reduces, the pressure relay automatically triggers a seawater pump in the engine room. The seawater pump delivers the water which extinguishes the fire. For complete operation of the system, open the known return valves A, B and known return valves after the seawater pump. A testing valve provided in the system checks the flow of water and checks the audio-visual alarms. A hose connection at the pump ensures that the system gets water through a shore supply when the ship is in dry dock. Drain is provided at the pressure tank and in the pipeline to drain the pressure tank and system respectively.